The legal profession is challenging and demanding, and several aspects make it particularly difficult. Extensive education and training. Becoming a lawyer typically requires several years of education, including completing a bachelor's degree followed by 3 years of law school. After that, aspiring lawyers must pass the bar exam in their jurisdiction. This educational path is both time-consuming and financially expensive. Intense competition. The legal field is highly competitive, with many law school graduates competing for a limited number of job openings. Securing a job at a prestigious law firm or in the public sector can be especially challenging. Long working hours. Lawyers often work long hours, including evenings and weekends, to meet client demands and deadlines. This can lead to a high-stress lifestyle and work-life balance challenges. Stress and responsibility. Lawyers bear a significant amount of responsibility, as their work can have a direct impact on their clients' lives. Dealing with high-stakes legal matters, especially in areas like criminal law or family law, can be emotionally taxing. Continuous learning. The law is constantly evolving, and lawyers must stay current with legal developments, case law, and legislative changes. This requires ongoing learning and professional development. Ethical and moral dilemmas. Lawyers may face ethical and moral dilemmas when representing clients with conflicting interests or values. Balancing their professional obligations with their personal principles can be challenging. Pressure to bill hours. Many lawyers work in firms where they are expected to bill a certain number of hours each month. This billing pressure can lead to stress and burnout. High expectations. Clients and employers often have high expectations of lawyers, and the legal profession is subject to scrutiny. This can result in high stress and demanding workloads. Costly student debt. Law school can be expensive, leading to substantial student loan debt that may take years to repay, particularly for those who do not secure high-paying positions. Mental health challenges. The legal profession is associated with a high incidence of mental health issues, including anxiety and depression. The demanding nature of the work and the pressure to perform can take a toll on mental well-being. Despite these challenges, many individuals find the legal profession to be personally and financially rewarding. It offers the opportunity to advocate for justice, make a difference in society, and provide valuable services to clients. However, those considering a legal career should be aware of the difficulties and carefully weigh the potential rewards against the challenges to determine if it is the right path for them.